In today's video, I'll show and tell you how to copy any game in Roblox. Then find the game you want to extract. Right-click and select Inspect. Go to the Network tab. Refresh the page to ensure the file contains the latest version information for your game. Scroll up until you see the name of our game. Right-click it and select Copy as PowerShell. Now go to our website and paste what we copied. The website will immediately detect which game you want to extract. Click Extract Game. The download will occur instantly because you've already provided the website with the game information in the copy file. Instead of simply pasting the game ID, the game has started downloading. The downloaded zip archive contains our game and a text document that is very important to read before launching the map. As expected, the game is working and ready for improvements and your changes. Soon, many tools on our website will be released from beta access and will be available to everyone, such as Animixer and much more. Good luck to all aspiring developers, and bye!